Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to fix power surge on USB port in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are encountering power surge issues with your USB ports in Windows 11, there is a straightforward fix you can implement. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing in Device Manager. Once Device Manager appears in the search results, click on it to open. In the Device Manager window, locate and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. You will see a list of USB root hub entries. Right-click on the first USB root hub and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Power Management tab. Here, you will find options related to power saving. Uncheck the box that states Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You may see this option on multiple USB root hubs. Repeat this process for all the USB root hub entries listed under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. After unchecking the relevant boxes for all USB root hubs, click on OK to save your changes. This action prevents Windows from automatically powering down your USB ports, which often resolves power surge notifications. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.